Welcome everyone. Here is a question from GATE 2024 Life Sciences. The question says, if a 10 millimolar solution of a biomolecule in a cuvette of path length 10 millimeter absorbs 90% of the incident light at 280 nanometer, the molar extinction coefficient of the biomolecule at this wavelength is going to be, we need to be careful about the units. So as mentioned, when a light of this particular wavelength passes through a sample, it absorbs 90% of the incident light. So let's assume this is the intensity of the incident light. That means the amount of the light that passes through the sample, which is not absorbed or reflected, is 10%. And this I'm calling it as a transmitted light, which is represented by I. Remember, transmittance is also denoted by I by I naught, which is the intensity of the transmitted light by intensity of the incident light. There is an inverse relationship between absorbance and transmittance, which is the logarithmic reciprocal of transmittance. This will give me the accurate value of the absorbance. So as given, absorbance is equal to log 10. Transmittance value is given 10%. Because remember, 90% of the light is absorbed. So that means the remaining 10% is the transmitted light. And I can rewrite it as a log 10 100 by 10. So I'm calculating the absorbance. Remember, I can rewrite this equation as log base 10 100 minus log 10. I hope you all are aware. Log A by B equal to log A minus log B. And that's all I have written. Log 100 is going to be 2. Log 10 is going to be 1. And the absorbance value is going to be 1. So now we can calculate the absorbance value, which I can represent it with the absorbance equal to epsilon, which is the molar extinction coefficient, C, and L. C is the concentration and L is the path length. It's a famous Beer-Lambert's equation. So absorbance we have calculated 1. Epsilon I have to calculate. Concentration is given in millimolar. I need to convert it into molar. So that is going to be 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 molar. Remember, 1 millimolar is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 molar. Path length is given 10 millimeter. And 1 centimeter corresponds to 10 millimeters. So I can convert it into 1 centimeter. The reason being I need to include centimeter in the unit. So the final answer is going to be 1 by 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into 1 equal to epsilon in molar inverse, centimeter inverse, and this is going to be 100. Molar inverse, centimeter inverse. I hope this answer is clear to each and every one of you. Feel free to give your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.